How to turn off autoplay video on YouTube homepage. If videos start playing automatically when you scroll on the YouTube
मेरा
homepage
एक
and you
चैनल
want
जो
to
है ना
turn this feature off, follow these simple steps. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner and go to Settings. Now tap General. Look for the option called Playback in Feeds or Autoplay on Home. Tap on it and choose Off. This will stop videos from playing automatically while you scroll on the homepage. If you still see previews playing, go back and tap Accessibility. Turn off motion or reduce animations if your phone supports it. You can also stop autoplay directly from the home screen. When a video starts playing automatically, tap the three dots on the video preview and turn off autoplay. If you are using YouTube on a browser, click your profile picture, open Settings, go to Playback and Performance, and turn off autoplay on Home. Once this is disabled, videos will stay paused until you tap them manually. And that's it. You have successfully turned off autoplay videos on the YouTube homepage. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.